If you want to create a presentation that feels more dynamic, more visual, and a lot less boring than a traditional slide deck, then Prezi Next is a great tool to learn. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use Prezi Next step by step, from logging in and starting your first presentation all the way to adding content and presenting it confidently. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Prezi and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can start building a new presentation. To begin, look for the tile with the plus sign. This is the option to create a brand new presentation from scratch. If you want a faster start, you can also use the Create with AI tool. This is useful because it can help generate an outline and even suggest a color scheme automatically, which saves time and gives you a strong starting point. If you're building your presentation manually, Prezi will ask you to choose a template. This is where you want to pick a design that matches your topic and your message. Prezi offers customizable designer templates, so you're not locked into one style. Choose the one that best fits your story, whether you're making a business presentation, a school project, a pitch deck, or a training session. A good template can make your content look polished right away. Now let's talk about how Prezi Next is structured, because this is what makes it different from standard presentation software. At the highest level, you have the overview. This is the most zoomed out view of your canvas, and you can think of it as your presentation home screen. Everything you add will live inside this visual space. Instead of moving slide by slide, Prezi uses a zooming layout which makes your presentation feel more interactive and connected. From there, you build your presentation using topics and subtopics. Topics are the main sections or chapters of your presentation. These help organize your ideas into logical parts. When you double-click on a topic, Prezi zooms into that section and reveals the subtopics and specific content inside it. That can include text, images, videos, and more. This makes it very easy to create a clear structure, especially if you have a lot of information to present. Next, let's add and edit your content. To add text, just click anywhere on the canvas and start typing. If you already have a text box, click into it to edit the text. When you select text, a gray formatting bar will appear. This gives you options to change the font, adjust the color, and set the alignment. Take a moment to format your text so it is easy to read and visually consistent across your presentation. You can also add images and other media to make your presentation more engaging. Click the Insert or Media button, depending on what you see in your version of Prezi, and then choose the file you want to upload. If you're using transparent graphics, PNGs are a great choice. You can also insert GIFs, icons, and even upload videos to make your presentation more dynamic. Media can help explain your ideas faster and make your message more memorable. If you want to customize the look of your canvas, click Background in the top toolbar. This lets you upload a personal image as the background of your presentation. A background can help set the tone for your topic and make the whole design feel more branded or professional. Just make sure your background doesn't overpower the text or important visuals. As you build your presentation, remember that Prezi works best when your layout tells a story. Instead of filling the screen with too much information at once, organize your topics so the viewer can follow along naturally. Think about the path your audience will take through the presentation. Start broad, then zoom into each section one by one. This makes your content feel intentional and easy to understand. When you're ready to present, click the Present button in the top right corner. This launches your presentation mode. From here, you can use the arrow keys to zoom into topics and subtopics sequentially, or you can click freely on any area of the canvas if you want to move around in a more conversational way. That flexibility is one of the biggest strengths of Prezi Next because it lets you adapt to your audience in real time. A great tip when presenting in Prezi is to rehearse your path ahead of time. Since the presentation uses motion and zooming, it helps to know how your content flows from one section to the next. Practice clicking through your main topics and subtopics so you feel comfortable when you go live. The smoother your transitions are, the more professional your presentation will look. So that's the basic workflow for using Prezi Next. You log in, start a presentation, choose a template, organize your content with topics and subtopics, add text and media, customize your background, and then present it in a way that keeps your audience engaged. If you found this tutorial helpful, Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step software guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.